You want to recruit in your network marketing business and you want to build to the top, and you're doing all of the things that your upline, your sideline, or your mentor has told you. You're making your list of 100, you're reaching out to people, you're posting on social medias, you're doing your stories, and yet you still feel like you could be doing something different or something that's a little bit more effective. What your upline or your coach is not teaching you is what the power of YouTube can do for your network marketing business. So I have been building here on YouTube for the last 5 or 6 years, and let me explain to you what it has done for my network marketing business. Number one, I have personally sold over $16,000 in personal sales every single month because of my YouTube videos, and I'm going to break this all down for you here. And I recruit 5 to 7 business builders, all because of my YouTube videos. I'm not sure why most network marketers are teaching recruiting, but they're not teaching you how to recruit on YouTube. And I'm going to share with you the power of YouTube. And after you're done watching this video, if you're like, oh my God, I totally see it, I want to get started over here, I have got for you a free Kickstart guide that's going to help you set up your YouTube channel so that it's well optimized and you can hit the ground running. But what YouTube has done for my business is I post one strategic video a week that is well optimized, because at its core, YouTube is an SEO search engine. So I post one well-crafted video. It could be about how to make money online. It could be about ways for moms to pick up a side gig while working at home or being home with their children. Or it could actually be a video about how to join X, Y, and Z company. Those have also done really well for me. And I've actually got a whole YouTube series. So definitely make sure you watch this series that I have for you, because I really break it down step by step on how I've been able to do this. So a little bit of the backstory is I started on YouTube about 6 or 7 years ago, like I said, because I was really frustrated with Facebook and Instagram. TikTok hadn't even come into the scene at this point. And I was paying money, thousands of dollars, to have somebody help me build a funnel, a recruiting funnel for my business. And then I was paying money in ads. And what ended up happening was my ads account got shut down. I was really frustrated. Facebook does not like network marketers. And so things were being screened. And I was like, okay, this is what's going to happen. I need to do something different, because the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results. And so I went on Pinterest and I was like, that's it. I'm going to build on Pinterest. There's no network marketers over on Pinterest. And so I started to build on Pinterest, and it was going okay, except for I actually hate writing. I don't mind doing videos. In fact, I really enjoy making videos, but I absolutely hate writing. So that wasn't working so well for me, because at its core, while Pinterest is a search engine, like YouTube is search engine optimization, it's also a blogging site by and large. So I moved over to YouTube, and then I started to get orders on autopilot, and I was like, whoa, this is crazy. I've got people that are ordering for me and I've never even spoken to them before. This is insane. And then I would have people reaching out to me being like, I looked up X, Y, and Z company. I want to join your company. And they're getting started with the biggest packs possible. And before I know it, I'm recruiting 5 to 7 business builders. I'm selling $16,000 in personal products. And I'm like, oh my goodness, YouTube has been the missing link when it comes to recruiting, when it comes to building your business as a network marketer. And this is what has happened. So I now post one strategic video, just like you see here. They're anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes long. I provide value to my audience. I have a strong call to action that I put several times inside of my video, calling people to the free Kickstart guide that I have for you to help you get started on YouTube. So not only am I recruiting, not only am I getting sales for my company's products when those videos are being seen, but I'm also building my email list. I'm building so many other things. In fact, one of my students, her name was Angela, she was able to build her coaching program on top of selling her network marketing company's products, on top of recruiting. So YouTube is incredible, and here's why. The videos don't go away. When you are posting on social media, the algorithm is such that in about 20 or 30 minutes, it gets pushed down unless you get a ton of traction. And even after you get a ton of traction, it goes away within a day or so. I want you to go and look at the history of your YouTube videos. You're going to see that you've probably watched videos that are maybe 1 year old, 2 years old, 5 years old, right? And it's going to be absolutely eye-opening for you when you see this, because your videos are not getting pushed down by the algorithm the same way that they do on other social media platforms. That means that your videos are continuously working for you. I like to say you're getting views while you snooze, right? As you're building your network marketing business. And it's truly a dream come true for anybody that's looking to build a network marketing business, an affiliate marketing business, a coaching business. It is amazing. It is the highest profitable sales that I've been able to do. When I was doing those funnels and I was spending thousands of dollars, I was not profitable. And here, over on YouTube, it's 100% organic. The only thing that I'm putting in is my time. I'm not putting in any money behind this. And yet people are reaching out to me and saying, oh my gosh, Julie, I want to join your team. Or I've been looking for ways to make money online. This sounds like a fantastic opportunity. And people are coming to me. So at its core, when you're trying to build on social media and you're trying to recruit on social media, you're doing what we call interruption marketing. You are saying, hey, look at me, I've got something to sell you. And you're hoping that you're going to stop the scroll. But over here on YouTube, when you craft that well-optimized video, you're showing up and you're answering the questions that people are searching for, right? So how to help with anxious feelings and essential oils. Then people are looking at your videos because they're looking for the answers. So these 7-10-minute videos are able to, not only one, they don't disappear, they're able to provide education and value to your audience. It helps build that like, know, and trust, because we all know that people want to build a business with people that they like, know, and trust. People want to buy products from people that they like, know, and trust. And so it truly is a full circle moment for anybody that is building an online business. YouTube is the best strategy. So again, if you are watching this and you're like, oh my goodness, I need this YouTube in my life, what I have for you is in the description of this video, I have my free Kickstart guide. It's going to show you how to optimize your videos so that they're actually being shown up on the first page of search. So make sure you grab that Kickstart guide, because it's going to make sure that your channel is well optimized and it's set up for success. The beauty of YouTube is that it does give you the views while you snooze, but it is not a post and pray platform like so many other social medias where it doesn't take strategy. You just kind of post and you see. YouTube actually takes some strategy, which is great for those that know how to do it, right? And that's what I want to teach you, is my exact strategy that I've used in order to build my business. So make sure you grab that Kickstart guide for you, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel if content like this to grow your network marketing business, to be able to recruit on autopilot, be able to get sales on autopilot sounds like something that you want to do. Definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. I am telling you, I challenge you to implement YouTube into your network marketing business and see what happens. All right, you guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.